I'm Joe, Fleet Manager for Silchuk Transport. Today we're going to go over the digital dash optimized idle in the Freightliner. Again, like the old trucks, you're going to need key on. Give it a moment for everything to power up. Make sure this dash piece here comes on. Alright, you're going to go to the truck image right here. From there, go to optimize idle. You have your two modes, interior comfort and just no comfort. The enable without comfort is going to be basically your battery standby mode. Monitor your battery voltage. Hits a certain point, it's going to start up and charge batteries. Enable with comfort is going to be your interior comfort mode. And then from there, we'll go to the back and we'll go over the controls. So your rear controls are going to be your masters. Your front controls, don't touch them at all because they're not going to help you. Right, let's go to the back. Alright, back here you got your fan speed and your temperature. Essentially, your temperature knob here, your cold and hot, is going to be like a thermostat in your house. When the white indicator is pointing straight up, that's roughly 70 degrees, all the way down to 60 and all the way up is 80. Don't turn it all the way down to the 60 mark because it's going to know it can't maintain that temperature, so it's just going to go in default and shut down. So at most, only go about halfway. Same with the hot side. So you're going to turn your blower up to about halfway, below 25%. It's going to, again, go into a default and not work. So above 25%, usually around 50 is where you're going to be. And in the center is 70, go about halfway hot or halfway cold. You can go either way and choose your comfort level. So if you get the truck to where it's at your comfort level and you don't want to start and stopping anymore, all you have to do is do disable comfort mode. It's going to turn off, and from there you can turn the key off, or you can simply just turn the key off and it's going to shut it all off. Thank you for watching on how to use the Freightliner digital dash optimized idle. If you have any other video ideas, let us know in the comments. We'll see if we come up with anything for you. Thank you.